I just want to give an update regarding our Pi network. Our video recording is today, Sunday, March 30, 4:03 a.m. Manila time. Okay. What happened is that I came across a post from Pi Lord. Okay. Credits to this post from Pi Lord. Okay. According to his Facebook post, it says here, Bansa Integrated Pi Network. Okay. On this platform, you can now buy Pi or Pi coins directly with regular payment methods such as Visa. This makes it easier to use Pi coin for payment on goods and services. Okay, a step forward in boosting the Pi ecosystem and utility. Okay, and he has a disclaimer on this post. So if we're going to have a look at the screenshots, we have here Bansa. This is not the first time I saw Bansa. Based on my own knowledge and experience in the cryptocurrency space, I know that wallets such as Topper and the Hedera HBAR or Hashpack wallet integrates Bansa so that customers or cryptocurrency enthusiasts can also buy crypto, okay, utilizing this Bansa application. Okay, so he has some screenshots. Now what I did on this one is to simply go to my Pi wallet. Okay, this is my personal, my own Pi wallet, and we can see here as of the date of this recording there's an update. Okay, this is good news for all pioneers. So what's going to happen is that Pi network will continue or will resume, okay, the mainnet migration of those Pi users and pioneers who haven't completed migration to mainnet or Pi mainnet, and this will include 2FA, two-factor authentication and account verification by confirming the email address. Okay, so what do you think? Comment your thoughts regarding Pi network and Bansa. Do you even believe that someday there will be an integration between the Bansa wallet and Pi network? Comment your thoughts, and let's continue our conversation from there. So going back to our point of discussion regarding Bansa integrating Pi coins on the platform, what I normally do is to directly or simply open my Pi wallet, search for any relevant or related keywords. So for example, Bansa. When we enter the search term Bansa directly on the official website, okay, the legitimate website of the Pi network, Pi core team, minepi.com, we can see here that there's no results for Bansa. Okay, so based on my own opinion and insight, I can say, or I can conclude that this post is misinformation. Okay, it's not true. Okay, because if you're if you're going to push through with this partnership with Bansa, if you're Pi or if you're the member of the Pi core team, we should definitely expect this information to be uploaded as an actual blog or post, okay, directly on their website. So we can see black and white, there's no information about any integration between Pi network and Bansa. That's why if you see any post related to this topic, beware. Okay, it can be a potential scam or misinformation. Okay, so I would also like to reiterate that all the information on our YouTube channel for Crypto Bayanihan Web3 wallets, okay, are published in good faith and for information purpose only. All the information and videos on our YouTube channel does not correspond to any financial advice. Okay,